Hello everyone! If you're looking for an open-ear headset that combines comfort, Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity and noise-cancelling microphone technology, then stick around because today I'll be reviewing the OLEAP P200b Pro open-ear headset. Before I begin, I want to thank OLEAP for sending me this headset for testing and review. However, this is my honest and unbiased opinion and I was not compensated in any way for this review. Let's start with the unboxing experience. The box has a clean and professional design displaying the OLEAP P200b headset along with some key features which we'll discuss in detail shortly. Inside the box you are greeted with a user manual, the OLEAP P200b Pro headset, a USB-C charging cable, and a protective case for easy storage. Everything is nicely packed and the manual is easy to follow, making setup a breeze. Now let's take a closer look at the design and build quality of the headset. The OLEAP P200b Pro follows an open-ear design, meaning it doesn't block your ears like traditional headphones. This allows you to stay aware of your surroundings, making it ideal for working professionals, drivers and remote meetings. The build quality feels premium with a lightweight yet durable frame that comfortably sits around your ears. The adjustable mic boom is flexible and sturdy, ensuring it stays in the right position for calls and voice chats. It's lightweight, weighing around 33 grams, so you can wear it for extended periods without discomfort. What makes this headset stand out? Here are some of its most important features. Bluetooth 5.3 provides fast and stable connectivity with minimal audio lag. Works great with PCs, laptops, smartphones and tablets. Multi-point connection. You can connect two devices simultaneously, for example your laptop for meetings and your phone for calls, seamlessly switching between them. 16-hour battery life, long-lasting performance with fast charging, charges up to 30% in just 10 minutes, perfect for all-day use without worrying about recharging. Comfortable open-ear fit. Unlike in-ear or over-ear headset, the OLEAP P200b Pro doesn't put pressure on your ears, making it perfect for extended wear. AI-enhanced ENC, environmental noise cancellation microphone. This is the standout feature. The ENC boom mic eliminates background noises, ensuring your voice is clear even in noisy environments, perfect for work calls, online meetings and gaming. To show you how good is the mic and how well it blocks the surrounding sounds, I will do this comparison. Here I have the OLEAP P200b Pro with its microphone, which is connected to my phone, and I will use Memo app to record. And connected to my camera, I have this Boya lavalier microphone. I will play a loud coffee shop in the background and I will switch from one microphone to the other. In the top left corner, you can see which microphone is in use in case you can't hear any difference, but I am sure you will notice. Microphone quality. The ENC microphone is the highlight of this headset. It effectively blocks out the background noise while making your voice sound clear and natural. This is especially useful in noisy offices or outdoor settings. Speaker quality. The open-ear speakers provide decent clarity, though they won't match the deep bass of traditional over-ear headphones. However, they do deliver crisp and natural sound, making them perfect for calls and voice communication. Connection stability. No dropouts or latency issues thanks to Bluetooth 5.3, a strong and stable connection throughout testing. I tested the OLEAP P200b Pro in multiple real-world scenarios to see how it performs in day-to-day use. Here is what I found. Noise cancelling mic test. Super impressive in office settings. The AI-enhanced ENC mic blocks out keyboard sounds, background chatter, and even mild traffic noises. In a quiet environment, voice clarity is excellent. Gaming and streaming. While not designed for gaming, it performs okay in casual use. Low latency makes it usable, but not ideal for competitive gaming. Overall experience, super lightweight, incredibly comfortable and excellent mic quality for office and work from home users. After testing the OLEAP P200b Pro, here's my final verdict. Who is this for? Remote workers who want a comfortable headset for all-day use. Professionals who need crystal clear calls in noisy environments. People who don't like in-ear or over-ear headphones but still need good voice quality. What I like? Superb noise-cancelling microphone for clear voice calls, open-ear design for comfort and awareness, long battery life up to 16 hours, multi-point connection to connect two devices at once. What could be improved? Not ideal for bass-heavy music lovers. This is a voice-focused headset. No active noise cancellation for speakers, but this is expected in an open-ear design. Overall, if you want an open-ear headset with a fantastic noise-cancelling microphone, the OLEAP P200b Pro is a great option. If you're interested, you can find the affiliate links in the description below. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to be notified of more product reviews. My name is Alex, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.